Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. Today we are going to learn how to know if my customer is a guest, to know what is the status of the order. How do I come to know about this issue in Magento 2? So let's have a look how we are going to solve that one. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. It's very easy, very simple. It is inbuilt, so I will let you know how exactly it's working. So you need to add it over here like this one: sales guest form. You will get to know about all the details over here. Let me go and just check or do some one of the order, and we will get all to know about each and everything. So let's go and go to bags. Where are the bag watches? So it's not there. So I will go with the bags here. I'm going to add one of the bag, right? And let's go and do the checkout process. Proceed to checkout. Test. Okay, I will add my email. No, test 90 at the rate marinator.com. Okay, I need to keep this. Remember, first name Rajni, last name Khan. Okay, and company nothing, the street, United's, whatever it is. Let's put it over here. City, zip code, phone number, shipping. Next, keep remember all the details. Place order. Okay, if I go and just check the admin panel over here, so let me add the admin. And what is the password? Demo123. It's mage bit. Let me add this one. So let me add this mage bit, and this is demo123. Okay, so now we will check the each and every order status. So let me close, go to the sales orders. Here you can see that we have the order, right? This one. If I go and just check this one, this is pending. I can go to and check the status of that one. If I go and just add the order, this is email, I need to put it over here. Order ID, when I place the order, there would be the order ID. Just copying this and add the order ID. Last name, bill name is Kant, right? So continue. So you can see that the order status is pending. So let's go and play with that order. Invoice, submit. This is done. Ship. If I go and just check this one, and you can see that it's pending. Resend. It's processing, and now I'm going to ship it. Okay, so here we go and just add this submit shipment. It means it's completed, right? So let me go and just check this one. Processing. It's taking time, 4 minutes, whatever the seconds they are taking up. Estimated wait time is 4 minutes and 11 seconds. Like, you come to know that when you do the such kind of stuffs over here to there, it will going to give you all the details of that one, whether it's processing, whether it's complete or something, right? So this is how you are able to see all the things of your guest user. If I'm placing the order, I will check my each and every details of that one with the help of this part. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.